Students, today's homework is write the any 6 word of sound E. This is your homework, so we will write here HW and today's date. Today's date is 3/2/2022. Okay, now let's start. Speak loudly. B says ba, E says a, N says na, ba, a, na, ban. T says ta, E says a, N says na, ta, a, na, tan. M says ma, E says a, na says, N says na, ma, a, na, man. Next, B says ba, E says a, T says ta, ba, a, ta, bat. J says ja, E says a, T says ta, ja, a, ta, jet. N says na, E says a, T says ta, na, a, ta, net. These are words N family and these are words at family. A, na, an. Ba, a, na, ban. Ta, a, na, tan. Ma, a, na, man. Ba, a, ta, bat. Ja, a, ta, jet. ना, एटा, नेट। स्टूडेंट्स, इसी टाइप से आप लोग इस होमवर्क को कंप्लीट करेंगे। हैंड राइटिंग शुड बी नीट एंड क्लीन।